These no-bake cookies are filled with chocolate, peanut butter, and oats. They taste just as delicious as normal cookies, but they're quicker to make and require no oven. The first thing we're going to do is combine our ingredients in a large pan or pot. Like usual, you will find the ingredients list written in the description, not only in cups but also metrics, and I've also written their instructions in there too, so you can just screenshot it and save it to your phone. Stir this constantly over low heat until the butter is all melted, and then turn it up to about a medium, and we're going to continue stirring it until it just comes to a boil. After it comes to a boil, let's cook for 1 minute, and then it's time to add the rest of our ingredients. Time for the final ingredients. We're adding some smooth creamy peanut butter, a little bit of vanilla, and then our oats. Stir this together, and if you want any special add-ins, you can totally do that. Personally, I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of M&Ms and a half cup of peanuts. Stir until they are evenly combined, and then it is time to scoop these into our cookies. I'm just using a normal cookie scoop, or you can use 2 tablespoon portions. Although I will say that a cookie scoop is an invaluable addition to any baker's kitchen, and if you do not have one, you could click my Amazon link in the description to purchase your own. So we want to smush these down until they're flat and then place them in the fridge until they are chilled and a little bit hard. These are actually a little bit addicting. They're super delicious, chewy, fudgy. I hope you enjoy this recipe and subscribe for more.